Yeah, hi guys, welcome to binarystrategy.net and make money online with binary options. You see, today I have my strategy, the Super K Sniper version 1 on autopilot, and I trade autopilot my strategy on IQ option. We see here I tested today the strategy on demo, on my demo account. We see the auto trades here. The first auto trades was gonna bad, and the last trades comes very good. We see I make a profit with these signals from $556, and yeah, I let it run today, maybe 6 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours, the Super K Sniper with Euro USD. And yeah, we let it run and we will see how much I earn on autopilot with this super software, what makes possibility for me to trade my strategy Super K Sniper version 1 on IQ option on autopilot. Yeah, I have also a solution in the software left here that I can say when I lose one trade, I can make martingale. I put in the software 5 steps for martingale, and yeah, we will see at night how what we earn or we not earn in the demo account. And yeah, happy trading, guys. I hope we see a good earnings here, and then I can do it on my real account and give signals. Then also with this software you can give signals for auto trading to other IQ option users. Yeah, the only problem I think what I have to do and develop better the Super K Sniper version 1, that when he give one signal, then we see here he give much signals on repeat on the same bar. That's why maybe I make also, I do change it in the Super K Sniper version 2, that we have not so much repeat signals on the same bar. Yeah, so I let it run now, and at night we will see what we earn or what we not earn. We see the balance is $34,453, and the profit what I have now in the last, what I have 16 in the last 15 minutes, it's $556 US. So we'll see at night how much I earn or how much I don't earn. And yeah, we see here also the martingale step 2, martingale step 1, martingale step 3. We have here 3, and I do maximum 5 martingale steps with this strategy. So we will see later what we earn, and yeah, we see us later, guys. So guys, we see after more than 4 hours automated trading, I get on my demo account here $2,666 US. And the importance is I don't go with my martingale trades over 1% from my account. You see, I have, my account is 36,611, and the highest martingale trade was 242. So it's not 1%, it's under 1% martingale from the account balance. This is really nice, and we see I make round about 7 or 8% in 4 hours, full automated with the Super K Sniper and the software here, the software from M2 Trading, where with the software you can trade automatically the Super K Sniper version 1 on IQ option. Yeah, I think I finished this video now, and when you like to buy the Super K Sniper strategy, you can do it. I put a link to the shop for the Super K Sniper under the video in the description below. And in the next days I will surely put my real account in the automated trading, and yeah, I put some money on it and let it run 1 week with, I don't know, maybe $200 on automated, and after 1 week we will see how much we make money, with the automated Super K Sniper on IQ Option. But you see, this is really awesome. He trade full automatically, and yeah, also with Martingale I do in the settings maximize it, the five martingale trades, and I come here maybe on two or three martingales, in maximum. Yeah. I let it run also now maybe 2 hours, 3 hours more, and we will see what's happened. So guys, we have now round about the 3,000, I think $3,000 full. The $3,000, guys. We have it full. The last two trades, I think the last two trades we have it here. And yes, you see the last two trades, and then we have make it 98 trades, and we see here also the last two for this video are in the win, and we see the Super K Sniper version 1 in auto trading is really the best strategy what you have. We do let me take a look. We do 4 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 5-hour trading, 5-hour automatic trading, and we have round about $3,000 plus $3,000, guys, with the Super K Sniper version 1 and auto trading, with auto trading on IQ Option. As I say, when you like the strategy, you can go to our shop, you can buy it. The link under the video in the description below, and I will take a look also for the German traders that they also have a solution. I find a solution that they can auto trade on Pocket Option or some other broker, what is allowed in the European Union, but for the IQ Option trader is really cool. That you can see 100 trades with the Super K Sniper, and we make a drawdown under 1% from our account. The drawdown was under 1% on our account, and we make $3,040 US, 3,080 when this trade is finished. Only 15 seconds left, and yeah, we have $3,080 plus we make $3,080 in 5 hours. This is round about 9% from our account, 9% from our account with the Super K Sniper automatic trading on IQ Option. Okay guys, I say bye. We see us in the next English video, maybe on Wednesday. Tomorrow I like to make a German video, but yeah, we see us Wednesday, or maybe also tomorrow when I make 2 videos tomorrow, then also 1 English. Bye guys. All links also from the strategy in the description under the video below. Happy trading, my friends. Happy trading.